Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I'm really excited to introduce this new pattern. It's on our website. It's called Adventure. And when I was designing this pattern, my idea was I need some way to use up leftover fabric quickly but make something cute. And I'm sure none of you have that problem. Anyway, it's so fun to make. I've already made at least 6 of these quilts. So this was the first quilt, and I happen to have a big chunk of this safari fabric. And then I have to admit I cheated, but sometimes you have to do that when you're using up fabrics. And I went to the quilt shop and bought this camouflage to go with it. But the background was left over from the original quilt I'd made. So you can see it's easy and quick to make. And on this one, I did all of these out of the same fabric. I'll show you something different. And if you want to make it more scrappier, you can vary these. You can do like these in rows or different pieces. The quilt on the back here, I used leftover or some backing fabric that was left over from a quilt I had made, and then just pulled the rest out of my stash. But I do tell you on the back, if you want to make certain sizes, how many blocks to do and how many pieces you need. So this is one of them that I've made. Here's another real fun one, and this one was all leftover fabric. So you can see here that I used blue here, and then I used peach and went back to the blue. So I used 2 colors there. And then on this one, I used 3 different colors. So you can see that it's real easy to use different colors and to do a variety and to use what you have on hand. So find it on our website and have fun with it. Thanks.